Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. I am sharing a case study question from Surface Area and Volume Class 10 series. On a Sunday, your parents took you to a fair. You could see a lot of toys displayed and you wanted them to buy a Rubik's Cube and strawberry ice cream for you. Observe the figure and answer the questions. Question 1 is the length of the diagonal of each. If its edge measures 6 centimeter, that means when the question is about diagonal, it is about the cube. The options are given 3 under root 3, 3 square root 6, square root 12, and D is 6 times square root 3. Question number 2 is volume of the solid figure. If the length of the edge is 7 centimeter, that means cube side is given as 7 centimeter. You have to find the volume. Options are given. Similarly, question number 3 is what is the curved surface area of hemisphere if the base radius is 7 centimeter? Fourth is slant height of the cone if the radius is 7 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. Last is total surface area of the cone with hemispherical ice cream is 4 options are given. You have to take the correct one or write the correct one. So going from question number 1, so this is a cube. Its side is given to be 6 centimeter, length is 6, breadth is 6, and height is 6. You have to find the length of its diagonal. Diagonal means from one corner to another corner. So the diagonal formula for your cone is diagonal is equal to root 3 times side. So if you remember this basic formula, you can find the diagonal. Or if you want to formula, it will be a square plus a square plus a square. That will be 3 times of a square. Square root is root 3 into a side. So side is 6 centimeters. So you will write 6 times of root 3. So you have to find which one is the answer. So 3 root 3, 3 root 6. Square root of D is 6 root 3. So D is answer here. Whenever you will write the answer, you will write D and as well as 6 root 3. Both the part you have to mention in your copy. Second is volume of the solid figure of length is edge is 7. That means side is given as say 7 centimeter. You have to find the volume. It is very simple question. Volume is equal to side cube or side multiplies 3 times. So it will be 7 multiply 7, 7 times 49, 7, 343 centimeter cube. So first one is 256, 196, yes, it is C is here. So answer is 343 centimeter cube. Then part 3, what is the curved surface area of hemisphere if the base radius is 7 centimeter? R is 7 centimeter. You need curved surface area of hemisphere. The curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 multiply 7 twice, 7, 7. 1, 7 cancel, so 22 multiplies 4, that will be 14 into 22. It will multiply 14 into 22, it will be 28, 28, it will be 8, 0, 308. 308 centimeter cube. So A is 309, B is 308. So B is answer here. Centimeter square, 308 centimeter square. Now coming to slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone of radius 7 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. Let us go back to the cone once. So in the cone, if this is your radius and this is your height, this one is slant height. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Let me draw a cone, height h, a radius. This is L. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L square is here, r square is 720, height is 24 square and 7 square. So it will be 24 square 576 plus 49, that will be 625. So L square is equal to 625 means L is equal to square root of 625. Square root of 625 is equal to 25 centimeter. If you want to calculate, you can apply this factorization method, 5, then your 25 and 5. So there will be 25 centimeters. So 25 centimeters, where is the answer? B is the answer. Now coming to question number 5, last question. The total surface area of a cone with a hemisphere ice cream is 858, 855. So the question is about a combination of the solid, one sphere and one cone. When you need the total surface area, you just, when it is a combination, just remember it will be curved surface area of the both. So curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Why? Because you cannot see this area, this square portion of the hemisphere. You are only the curved one, lateral surface area. Similarly here, for cone, you cannot see the upper one, only you are seeing the side one. So it will be curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of the cone is, pi r L, and curved surface of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So we'll put r is equal to 7 and L we have already calculated as 25. So this will be pi into 7 into 25 plus 2 into pi r square is 7 square, that will be 49. So it will be 175 pi plus 49 into 2, 98 pi. If I add them, it will be 5 plus 8, 13 carries 1, 8, 9, 17, 273 pi. So 273, and I am now simplifying, putting pi is equal to 22 by 7 because 273 can be cancelled by 7. If it is not cancelled, then you will put pi is equal to 3.14. So take pi common and 175 plus 98, you will get 273. So if you cancel 7 3 times, 273 divided by, here I am dividing 273 divided by 7, 7 3 times 21, 6 3, 7 9 times 63. So 39. Now you multiply 39 with 22. So 39 into 22 will be 8, 8, 5, 8, 8, 5, 8. 8, 5, 8 is the first one, is the answer. Or you can do again, you can take time to do it correctly. So if I multiply 2 with 39, I'll get 78, again 78, so 8 plus 5 into 8, 5, 8. So 8, 5, 8 centimeter square. So A is the answer here. A is the answer. 8, 5, 8. So whenever you are writing in the copy, write both the things. Write A, write this exact answer also. Don't leave that A is the answer. Then you may not get the full marks. So I hope you are doing well. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you.